Hey guys, good to see you again. Today, I'm up to some shenanigans. Come along with me. So I recently did a video showing you guys that Universal now has the Dole Whip here in its parks. But the Dole Whip is famous for being at Disney parks. Dole Whip is truly an iconic Disney treat. Universal is more famously known for offering the Butterbeer as its iconic treat. But I tell you what, since we have both iconic treats in one location, today we are going to determine the ultimate theme park treat. But before we begin, we publish theme park videos on this channel all the time. So hit that subscribe button and that bell notification button so you'll know when another video is ready for you to view. So right here at Schwab's is where Universal offers the Dole Whip. But Butterbeer is only available in the Harry Potter sections of the park. So I think the first thing we need to do is walk over to Diagon Alley and get ourselves a Butterbeer and bring it back here. As we walk over to Diagon Alley to retrieve our Butterbeer, let's talk a bit about the first ever iconic theme park treat. That's going to be the Dole Whip. The Dole Whip is a pineapple frozen treat. FYI, it is not ice cream. It is a frozen treat. It is both vegan and gluten-free. The Dole Whip was first introduced into a Disney park in 1986, once again proving the awesomeness of the 80s. There are several different ways to get your Dole Whip. The three main ways are going to be your pineapple soft serve, then there's a pineapple swirl that's swirled with vanilla. That's one of my favorites, by the way. And then the Dole Whip float, another one of my favorites because I love floats. But the thing is, the float option is not offered here at Universal. Here at Universal, you can only get the Dole Whip as a soft serve. So that's going to be in a cup or a cone soft serve style. Now, while the Dole Whip is greatly connected to Disney, it is not unique to Disney. You can actually find them all over the country. All you really need is the Dole Whip mix and the right kind of ice cream mixer. Commercial size. But enough about the Dole Whip. We've made it into Diagon Alley, so let's order our Butterbeer. I think today we'll get our Butterbeer from the Hopping Pot. We can see it's first thing in the morning, and the line for the Butterbeer is already pretty long. So there are actually three ways to get Butterbeer. You can get your Butterbeer frozen, you can get a hot Butterbeer during the winter, or like me, just get your regular cold Butterbeer. And the price for this particular Butterbeer was $7.50, but with my pass holder discount, $6.33. And now that we have this bad boy, let's walk it over to Schwab's and introduce it to the Dole Whip. Now about Butterbeer. This is the favorite ale of both witches and wizards throughout the Harry Potter books and the movies. One problem, it never really existed outside of the books or the films until the year 2010. That's when the Wizarding World of Harry Potter first opened and the first Butterbeers were ready for the public. Now the exact formula for what makes Butterbeer taste like Butterbeer is a top secret. The formula is locked up just as tight as that Coca-Cola formula. But to describe it, I would say Butterbeer tastes like cream soda, a vanilla cream soda, with a very thick whipped topping on the top that tastes like butterscotch. It's very good, but it is very sweet. So now that we have the basics of both treats down, let's go inside and order our Dole Whip. Okay, I have made it back to Schwab's with my Butterbeer. I didn't take a sip and I didn't spill a drop. Now it's time to order the Dole Whip. So here we are, side by side for the first time. A Butterbeer and a Dole Whip. Now I must admit, I was a bit tricky. I'm not going to compare the two to determine which one is better. The question I pose is, what is the ultimate theme park treat? Well, it hasn't been created yet. You're about to see it for the first time today. I'm going to create the Butterbeer Dole Whip float. And here it is, ladies and gentlemen. The ultimate theme park treat, the Butterbeer Dole Whip float. So this is one small sip for man, one giant gulp for mankind. So there you go. I'm sorry to deceive you a little bit, but I had to do it for this M. Night Shyamalan twist of this little video. I hope you enjoyed it. Next time you're here at Universal, go get yourself a Butterbeer, bring it back here to Schwab's, get a Dole Whip, and have the Rick's Flicks Dole Whip Butterbeer float. I'm not even lying, guys. I really did enjoy that because I enjoyed the Dole Whip float so much. To have the Dole Whip mixed with a Butterbeer was totally awesome. You guys should do that when you're visiting here. But wait, we're not done with refreshment talk. Let's head inside the Coke Refreshment Center here so I can do the shout outs to all you guys who have donated to my coffee page and bought us a cup of coffee recently. So first up, I need to say thank you to Linda. Linda donated to our coffee page and got us a cup of coffee. Thank you so much, Linda. And now we have Nikki. Nikki supporting the channel. Thank you so much. And then next up, I need to give a shout out to Belinda. Thanks for the coffee, Belinda. And then lastly for today, we're gonna have the Gwen family, which is gonna be Tracy, Mary, Tyler, and Gavin. Thank you so much, guys. Well, guys, I think that's gonna do it for today. I hope you enjoyed that little ditty of a vlog where I came over here and I invented the very first Dole Whip Butterbeer float. Not gonna lie, I feel a little bit like Neil Armstrong right now. And with that being said, don't miss the magic, don't miss the fun. Thanks for watching Rick's Flicks, and now it's time to relax.